हेलो नाजरीन, आज हम लोग जो हैं आपके लिए एक बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग चीज़ लेके आ रहे हैं क्योंकि हम लोग टोरंटो जू के ऊपर हैं और यहाँ पे इन्होंने एक नई अट्रैक्शन खोली आफ्टर 45 इयर्स। इससे पहले जब आप टोरंटो जू में आते थे तो आप तस्वीरें खींच सकते थे, घूम फिर सकते थे, जानवरों के साथ जो है आप खड़े होकर एंजॉय कर सकते थे। अब इन्होंने ये नया कोविड-19 के रहते फैसिलिटी इंट्रोड्यूस की है, वो ये है कि आप ड्राइव थ्रू करेंगे सीनिक सफारी पे, जिसका मतलब ये है कि आपको इसेंशियली अपनी गाड़ियों के अंदर ही रहना है और उसी से आप जो हैं अपने जो जितने भी आपके मर्जी के जानवर हैं या जूसी चीज़ें जो हैं, ट्रेल जो जिस पे आप जा रहे हैं उसका आप मज़ा ले सकते हैं। तो आइए हम आपको लेके जाते हैं और अभी जो कोविड-19 के रहते नई गाइडलाइंस आई हैं टोरंटो जू के लिए वो क्या हैं, इस सफारी के एंड पे हम आपकी मुलाकात जो है इनके CEO से करवाएंगे। तो आइए चलते हैं। जनाब अब हम डॉल्फ डियान के साथ हैं जो कि टोरंटो जू के CEO हैं, तो हम उनसे बात करने लगे हैं। तो हम उनसे पूछेंगे कि जो अभी ये जो नई रीओपनिंग की आई थी गाइडलाइंस, उनको ये लोग कितना फॉलो कर रहे हैं और कितने लोग जो हैं रोजाना के तौर पे यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं। तो आइए उनसे बात करते हैं। डॉल्फ, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर टॉकिंग टू अस। वी वुड लाइक टू नो हाउ मेनी पीपल हैव स्टार्टेड कमिंग सिंस यू हैव ओपन नाउ दैट यू वर गिवन परमिशन आफ्टर कोविड-19।
Well, the scenic safari has been amazing. We're seeing up to 1,000 cars a day, and we've literally had over 30,000 people come out to our zoo for this new experience.
Okay, one thing we would really like to know, people are coming now, what is there to see? I mean, what new things are there? Because it's just, in a car that everybody is going there. So what new attractions you have added for people to enjoy?
The Scenic Safari itself is a brand new experience. After 45 years of being a zoo you could only walk into, you get to drive right in the front gate. You get unique views of animals, starting with our Indian rhinoceros. You get to navigate a mix of our trails, our zoomobile paths, our behind the scenes areas. We've also taken the time to put out a few of our displays like Polly Bear to raise awareness of single-use plastic and waste. And on any given day, you can see many of the animals who call our zoo home from angles you've never even considered before.
In these conditions that you have opened now, Scenic Safari, what would you like to tell Torontonians and people otherwise in GTA area?
Well, it's so amazing. When people sign up in advance and they come to the Scenic Safari, they're supporting our mission, which is connecting people, animals, and conservation science to fight extinction. Today I'm actually going to go out and we're going to be releasing Blanding's turtles, an endangered species right here in the Rouge Valley. So when they come out to the Scenic Safari, they have a great time with their family, they get to reconnect with the outdoors and nature and each other, and that financial support's critical so we can keep doing that important mission-based work.
I can understand that you have a huge facility, and this huge facility requires a lot of funds. Now, the government in these emergency times has announced funds for other sectors. Your visitors have reduced. Have you received any funds, or you think that for the time being we are okay with whatever we have?
So we have been absolutely blown away by the incredible support from our community. That started with the Zoo Food for Life campaign in March. We continue to receive amazing support from our partners at the City of Toronto. We are an agency of the city as well as a charity, and they've been phenomenal along the way, as well as support from other levels of government. So folks have clearly demonstrated they care about their zoo. They realize the work we do needs to continue, and we cannot just stop it in these times. And we're really looking forward to the near future when folks and our guests will get to come back and enjoy a more traditional zoo experience.
I saw that you also have those anacondas or snakes or those. I don't think so. You have still opened. So what can be the reason?
Well, we do look forward to getting our buildings open again as soon as it's safe to do so. With what we've learned about COVID, we're really mindful of high-touch areas, and as soon as we can get the right protocols in place, we look forward to reopening those buildings so people can get a glimpse of some of those slithery items, those birds and those animals that you currently can't see on the Scenic Safari. Yeah, we will actually have a model where we'll run both the Scenic Safari and one-way traffic for our members starting this weekend, and we'll continue to evolve with the Scenic Safari. Again, this is something we'd never done before. And our team has come up with a real innovative way to do it. The community has responded, so we're going to keep looking at how can we offer that so people who might have mobility issues or who are immunocompromised can continue to have that option. So we continue to learn from our COVID experiences, looking after our animals first, but next making sure our guests can find new ways to interface with our zoo.
Okay, zoo is such a public facility. So when this disease first came and you were told to shut down everything, what was your first reaction?
Well, I think like everyone else, we were really worried about the well-being of our team. For us, the next step is we're really worried about the well-being of our animals. We need to make sure we're available to feed, provide that care no matter what. So we took the steps. We closed. We made that decision on March 13th. We didn't take too long to reach the conclusion that the right thing to do to help flatten the curve was to close our site. Like everyone else, we didn't know how long the closure would last, and we're really excited about that it's been announced from the Premier yesterday, and as early as this weekend, we're looking forward to hosting our members back in so they can get back to enjoying their zoo.
Okay, a facility like Toronto Zoo, I'm sure you have huge expenditure. So what would you like to, it is totally up to you. Would you like to tell us on daily basis how much are you spending on the upkeep of this facility?
So, we typically host about 1.2 million guests a year, and that's weather dependent, it's seasonal. On our birthday last year, on our 45th anniversary, we hosted 19,000 plus people on a single day. So when guests come to the zoo, they play an important part. Yes, they're learning about animals, they're learning about conservation, they're learning about the actions they can take to save nature, but they're also playing that incredible, important role, making sure we have the revenues to continue to support this facility. So we're excited about getting guests back in safely. That's going to start at a few thousand a day, and we look forward to hopefully getting it back to those higher numbers that we've seen. But in the new COVID world, it's going to be really tough to say where we're going to be able to peak at.
So, what is your absolutely last message to the people? Is the zoo open now? There are new things. They should be without any fears. They can come over. What is it?
So we're so grateful to the community for their support. For folks who are considering booking to come visit us, remember, go online first. You can't just walk up. And when you're here, those practices that I think we're starting to get used to, recommending folks wear a mask, making sure they're ensuring good physical distancing, washing their hands regularly. Those are the types of practices we're really looking for our community to work with us on so they can safely visit the zoo, have a great time, and get back to visiting those animals we know they've all missed.
Okay, but they can't really go closer to them.
In some cases, we'll actually be adding additional barriers to make sure our animals' welfare is looked after, and that will continue to develop and evolve, and we will err on the side of caution.
तो जनाब ये थी हमारी आज की सीनिक सफारी और आपने सीईओ का इंटरव्यू भी सुना तो अब वो बहुत क्लियरली आपको कह रहे हैं कि आपको यहाँ पे आने से पहले ऑनलाइन अपने टिकट्स बुक करने चाहिए और यहाँ पे आके आप वो जो ट्रेल का एक मज़ा लेना चाहते थे अब आप ले सकते हैं। अपने बच्चों के साथ आएँ, ये फैसिलिटी जो है इसमें और भी कुछ चीज़ें आने वाले दिनों में ऐड होंगी, आप बहुत एंजॉय करेंगे। तो आइए और अपने बच्चों के साथ आप एंजॉय कीजिए जबकि GTA और पील रीजन को अब खोला जा रहा है। थैंक यू।